Difference between in, at, under with examples. In usage. Area that contains borders or boundaries. Where to use at. A very specific point, location, or place. Under usage. A position lower than something else. In examples. In the supermarket. In the bedroom. In the shower. In Texas. In France. We are in the supermarket. We are in the supermarket. He plays guitar in the bedroom. He plays guitar in the bedroom. I wash my hair in the shower. I wash my hair in the shower. I live in Paris. I live in Paris. The clothes are hanging in the wardrobe. The clothes are hanging in the wardrobe. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. There is a bookshop in the shopping mall. There is a bookshop in the shopping mall. The baby is sleeping in her room. The baby is sleeping in her room. I will wait for you in the car. I will wait for you in the car. I have a meeting in New York. I have a meeting in New York. Three cows are grazing in the field. Three cows are grazing in the field. Add examples. At the supermarket. At the bus stop. At yoga. At the concert. I work at the supermarket. I work at the supermarket. I'm at the bus stop. I'm at the bus stop. We are at yoga center. We are at yoga center. We are enjoying at the concert. We are enjoying at the concert. She is working at home today. She is working at home today. The children are studying at school. The children are studying at school. I met him at a party. I met him at a party. He is waiting at the entrance. He is waiting at the entrance. The shop is at the end of the street. The shop is at the end of the street. The dog jumped at my face and really scared me. The dog jumped at my face and really scared me. I looked at my watch. I looked at my watch. There was a guard at the border. There was a guard at the border. Under examples. The cat is under the jars. The ball is under the box. A river flows under a bridge. A river flows under a bridge. The doctor has injected him under the skin. The doctor has injected him under the skin. We camped out under the stars. We camped out under the stars. The wreck of the Titanic still remains under the sea. The wreck of the Titanic still remains under the sea. His shoes were under his bed. His shoes were under his bed. My sister put the thermometer under my tongue. My sister put the thermometer under my tongue. She was holding a folder under her arm. She was holding a folder under her arm. We stood under the tree to avoid getting wet. We stood under the tree to avoid getting wet. She used to hide her diary under her pillow. She used to hide her diary under her pillow. The baby is under the blanket. The baby is under the blanket. There are storage boxes under the bed. There are storage boxes under the bed. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.